Good morning, children. Already we have completed the Roman letter 6, third questions. Fourth question we are coming. Define triple fusion. Come to the page number 248. Here I am focusing, children. Question number Roman letter 6, question number 4. The other you strike out and write the second sperm fuses with the secondary nucleus is called triple fusion. To form, remove the bracket, to form the primary endosperm nucleus, which is triploid in nature. That's all. Next question, that is fourth question. Write the characteristic feature of insect pollinated plants, insect pollinated flowers. Come to the question at page number 247. 247. Here I have marked also the question number Roman letter 6, question number 5. Start from there, bracket, and here till there you have to write. Now next question we are coming, question number 6. Question number 6, name the secondary sex organs in male. That is in page number 249. Come to the page number 249. Here I have marked, children, Roman letter 6. Sixth question, male. These are the secondary organs associated with male reproductive system. Now next question we are coming, that is called question number 7. What is colostrum and what is the milk production hormonally regulated? In the page number 253. Come to the page number 253, children. Here I have marked the first fluid which is released from the mammary gland after childbirth is called colostrum. And which on first part. Second part, milk production from alveoli and mammary gland is stimulated by prolactin. That is the important word. Prolactin secreted from anterior pituitary. So question Roman letter 6, question number 7. Now come to the question number 8. Now how can menstrual hygiene be maintained during menstrual days? Question number 20, the page number 255 and 56. 55, 56, this is the question I have written. Question number Roman letter 6, question number 8, starting from here. These 2 points, and next page also 1 point is this. These 3 points to be written. Now next question is, how does the developing embryo gets its nourishment inside the mother's body? That is in page number 253. The placenta development already we have discussed. That is question number 9. Start from there to here. From there to here. Because it is a 4 marks question. Now next question, question number 10. Already I have marked here. No need of writing anywhere. A is the exine, B is the intine, C is the generative cell, and D is the vegetative cell. Write the events involved in sexual reproduction of a flowering plant. Come to the page number 246. 246. The sexual reproduction involves 2 stages. Let's start from there, pollination and fertilization. Then next question is events involved in sexual reproduction. Discuss the first event and its types. Discuss the first event. First event means pollination. What do you mean by pollination? You have to write. Then you have to write this one. Types. Third part of the question. This is mention the advantages and disadvantages of that event. That also I have written. That is in question number 11 on 11B. Question number 11B. Start from there, 11, it is 11B. This is at next question 11B only, advantages. These are all 11B. Advantages, any 2 points to be written. Any 2 points. I have written any 2. Here also, that is 11, that is 11B. Any 2 points. Again here, that is also 11B. 1 point here, here 11B. Any 2 points. All these to be written together. A, B, it has been separated. Now next question is, why are the human testes located outside the abdominal cavity? That one I have written in my paper. Wait, children. Yes, this is the question. Question number 12. Yes, human testes located outside the abdominal cavity because the body temperature of human being is 30 degrees Celsius or 98.4 to 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. In that temperature, sperm production doesn't take place. So, testes are located outside the body cavity. This is the first part. The name of the pouch in which testes are present is called scrotum. S-C-R-O-T-U-M. Scrotum. That is the answer, children. Now, 13th question is, luteal phase of menstrual cycle is also called the secretory phase. Give reason. Luteal phase is also called the secretory phase. Question number 13. And the next part of the question may be secretory phase. Yes, 13th question. The corpus luteum, that is the corpus luteum secretes a large amount of progesterone hormone, which is essential for maintenance of endometrium during pregnancy. The uterine wall secretes a nutritious fluid in the uterus for the fetus. So, this phase or the luteal phase is also called the secretory phase. So, that is the answer, children. Now, next one, 14th question. Why are family planning methods are not adopted by all the people of our country? That is also very simple answer. The people of our country are not conscious about the advantages of family planning. First point to be written. Second point, lack of awareness about the hygienic condition. Third one, if the family planning method is not adopted, children will not get proper education, balanced diet, etc. All these disadvantages are there. So, if the people are not following that one, they are not family planning methods are not adopted. They are not aware what will happen because of that. Only that is the answer. Now, 7th one, labeled diagram. With a neat label diagram, describe the parts of a typical angiosperm ovule. That is in page number 246. If you come to the 46. In the page number 246. So this is the page. The main part of the ovule. Start from there, structure of ovule, and the diagram to be drawn until here. Synergids. So that is the page number 246. Next long question. What are the phases of menstrual cycle? Indicate the changes in the ovary and uterus. In page number 251. Page number 251, that's box. All the 4 phases are there in menstrual cycle. Changes in ovary, uterus and hormonal secretion. So that is the 2 long answers only. Next, in angiosperm, hot question. In angiosperm, the pollen germinates to produce pollen tube that carries 2 gametes. What is the purpose of carrying 2 gametes when single gamete can fertilize the egg? That answer also I have written, children. In angiosperms, the fertilization is called the double fertilization. The first male gamete fuses with the egg and to develop the embryo is called syngamy. The second male gamete fuses with the secondary nucleus and form the endosperm is called the triple fusion. The endosperm supplies nutrition to the developing embryo, which is very much needed for the embryo. That's why two times fertilization takes place. Now next, why menstrual cycle doesn't occur before puberty and during pregnancy? That also answer I have written. Before puberty, the menstrual cycle doesn't take place because it starts at puberty only when Graafian follicle develops the ovum due to the influence of estrogen and progesterone. That's why before puberty the menstrual cycle doesn't take place, and during pregnancy also. During pregnancy, this is another part. During pregnancy, this cycle also doesn't occur because corpus luteum persists, continues to secrete progesterone to maintain the thickened state of the uterine wall and prevents the maturation of another follicle till the end of pregnancy. That's why menstruation cycle will be not taking place during pregnancy. Now read the following passage, and first question, what is the first menstruation is called? First menstruation is called the menarche. When does it occur? It occurs around 11 to 13 years age. Now second one is list out the napkin hygiene measures during menstruation. That is in page number 256. Napkin hygiene measures. That is in page number this one. Hot question, that is Roman letter 8, 3B. That is the answer, these 3 points. Now next but last part, do you think that Rohini's objection, if you read the paragraph you can find out what is the question. Now the answer is yes, her objection was correct, because parents have to teach their daughters the benefit of using the sanitary napkins. It is very much important to maintain the hygienic condition during this time, during the menstrual cycle. So that is the end of this question answer, children. So I am posting there YouTube. You can copy from these questions and start studying. Okay, thank you.